Here are some famous quotes and wisdom from the legendary boxer Muhammad Ali. 1. A man who views the world at 50 the same as he did at 20 has wasted 30 years of his life. 2. Age is whatever you think it is. You are as old as you think you are. 3. Beware of the punches of your unknown opponents, for punches are like stray bullets. If they hit, they can kill. 4. Friendship is the hardest thing in the world to explain. It's not something you learn in school, but if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you really haven't learned anything. 5. I am the greatest. I said that even before I knew I was. 6. If you want to fly, you have to give up the things that weigh you down. And if you want to sting, sting like a bee. 7. I believe in Islam. I believe in Allah and peace. 8. Lock me up in prison, and my jail cell will be bread for me because it's better than dying in Vietnam. 9. I knew if I said it enough times, I'm the greatest, I'd convince the world that I really was the greatest. 10. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit, suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. 11. Float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. 12. Service to others is the rent you pay for your room here on earth. 13. Impossible is just a big word thrown around by small men who find it easier to live in the world they've been given than to explore the power they have to change it. Impossible is not a fact. It's an opinion. Impossible is not a declaration. It's a dare. Impossible is potential. Impossible is temporary. Impossible is nothing. 14. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. 15. It's lack of faith that makes people afraid of meeting challenges, and I believe in myself. 16. Don't count the days, make the days count. 17. The man who has no imagination has no wings. 18. I'm so fast that last night I turned off the light switch in my hotel room and was in bed before the room was dark. These quotes demonstrate Muhammad Ali's confidence, wisdom, and his perspective on life and success, and belief in the power of self-belief and perseverance. Thank you for watching the video. We are glad that you enjoyed the content. We wish you happy and informative times with more videos in the future.